welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ama. If you like law, lifestyle, and get a little passport stamp, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe because I post every week and have been for the last 12 months. Anyway, you guys, I'm off work today. It's currently 11:30 something. 11:35. I just left Pilates. I did Reformer Pilates this morning. This is the first time I took a class with this instructor. She had the same name as a different instructor. That's who I thought I was booking with. Boy, I should have known better because that instructor only really does the weekends. Anyway, she was still a really good instructor and I really did enjoy my workout. What am I doing today? I got to get my eyebrows done first and foremost. Secondly, I have to get my lashes done. That's the last thing I'm doing today, but these lashes need to be done. My goodness. What else? I have to go grocery shopping because y'all know do y'all know? Are y'all keeping up with the vlogs? So if you keep up, then you know, but if you don't, then you really don't know. Anyway, I haven't really been spending money out on like eating out and stuff, so I need to like meal prep and all the things. I've already meal prepped for this week, but I also need some snacks, and I'm not a big snacker, so when I say snacks I mean like fruit. Last week I did oranges and bananas, and I have a love-hate relationship with bananas. Like, I'm not always craving a banana. When I crave a banana, them jones be so good. So this week I think I'm gonna do maybe strawberries or grapes, and I kind of want some veggie straws. I love veggie straws. Those are my favorite chips. Like I said, I'm not a big snacker. I don't really like do too much on snacks, but I think I'm gonna get veggie straws. And did I say grapes? Grapes. But I'm gonna go home first because I think I want to go on a walk. All year I haven't walked not one bit. Every time I want to walk is either pouring rain or it's snowing. Yesterday it snowed. The day before that it was raining, and that's just what it's been every single time I say I want to go on a walk. Today it's not snowing. There's snow on the ground, but it's not snowing and it's not raining. It is 33 degrees according to the car, but I'm gonna go walk. So I'm gonna go home and put like proper attire on. I have shorts from Pilates, but I'm not walking in shorts. I'm not crazy. And then we'll go grocery shopping, then get my eyebrows done, come home, chill, get my lashes done. I feel like I'm missing something in between there, but yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Update, I ended up going home. I decided not to go on a walk. Like, I don't need to do too much, so no walk right now. I'm about to get the groceries. First I'm gonna hit up Trader Joe's, get literally a couple items, nothing too crazy. I don't foresee myself spending more than $20 here. And then I'm gonna hit up another store and we'll get the veggie straws in the like individual package though, or I might get the big one just pouring Ziplocs. I'm not really sure, but that is it. And then I'm gonna have a terrible meal today. Like, this is gonna be my like first bad meal of the year, and we are over halfway through the month. Like, shout out to me. I'm not even gonna tell y'all just gonna see. It's gonna have a whole bunch of mumbo sauce on it and obey. Leave in the comments what you think it is, and then when y'all see it. But like, my mouth water and think about it. Like, I'm a Maryland girl. Like, what y'all want from me? It's a chicken box. I'm just gonna get me a nice little chicken box. I'm excited. All right, y'all, so it took way longer than expected to be in Trader Joe's. So much so I said, let me not even get the veggie straws. I just got a snack from Trader Joe's. I got hummus and some crackers. So woo, look at me, such a healthy girl. Yeah, so I got hummus and crackers, and that's just gonna be my snack for this week. So yeah, now I have to go pick up an acai bowl for my mom. So that's what I'm gonna go do, get my chicken box, and then y'all, it's almost time for my eyebrow appointment. My eyebrow appointment is literally in an hour. So I have to pick up the acai bowl for my mom, go get my food, eat my food, go to my appointment in less than an hour. Let's see how that's gonna go. Trader Joe's, y'all would never see me on this day of the week. It was way too many people in this bit. I didn't bring my brush. Made it to my lash appointment an hour early, so I'm just in the car chilling. Texted mom to see if anyone was up there. If she didn't have a client, I was gonna ask her if I could come up early, but she hasn't responded yet, and I just sent it not too long ago, so I'll give her some time. But if she doesn't respond, I'm just gonna sit here and chill and wait. I'd rather be here waiting than trying to fight against all that traffic. After Trader Joe's, I went to go pick up something for my sister because she was making dinner and she needed like salsa verde, so I went to go get that. Y'all, that whole process was annoying. And I went to Tropical Smoothie to pick up an acai bowl from my mom. And this man trying to talk to me, talking about, I don't even know what he was talking about. I was overly irritated, overly. I went to go get my food. My food was so cold because I had ordered it an hour ago, because none of this should have taken an hour. And then I ate, then I just got in the car and made it to my lash appointment, y'all. I'm so tired. So I keep waking up at the ass crack of dawn and sleeping like super late. I'm not too mad about it today because I'm gonna sleep during my lash appointment, and then when I get home, sorry, this is like so random. So y'all know my birthday was last month. My birthday's in December. If you didn't know, and if you want to know what I did for my birthday this past year, I went to Aspen. There's a vlog, and I'll list all the other birthday vlogs in the description box down below. But so I have this friend, and anytime I see like water talk videos on TikTok or on Instagram, I would just send it to him because he does not like it. And so like I would just always send it to him. And for my birthday, he got me some of the water packets, and then he got me 2 water bottles. Now I thought that was the sweetest thing ever, because that was just the sweetest thing ever. Like, you know, I literally was not expecting that from him. Anyway, so one of the cups that he got me is a Brewmate. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the leak-proof water bottle. These Stanleys right here, they leak like crazy. If I was to go like this, the water's just gonna drip. Like, that's just what a Stanley does, okay? But this other water bottle, it does not drip. So he gave me this gift a while ago. But for whatever reason, I just decided to look at TikToks to see if anyone has the same bottle as me. It's like a really pretty, like, nude color or tan color or cream color with pink bows all over it. It's just looking to see if people had the cups. Y'all, why was that cup limited edition that was released in August? So I'm just like, he's thought about this gift since August, 4 months before my birthday. Like, that is just so sweet to me. It's literally the thought that counts. But anyway, Mo said that her client's leaving now so I can come up. So let me go get these lashes done, baby, because I'm going to see my other friend tonight. No. Let me go.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You see, I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears